You did good, say.
It's us, man.
Me out enough, you'll never understand it. Keep the strap on me just in case I'm ever stranded. Ready to up the fire, now you looking like I'm busting pomegranate. Hop in the Mercedes spaceship, don't panic. Crash landing low, Louisiana like I fucking planned it. It's strictly no photos, especially if they're candid. She call me daddy cause her pussy mine and I demand it. Branded, the super on my G5, now bandits. Hate on super side, but we all know that